HunyahTravels Pageant Coaching, and today I just got this brand ambassador package from Sparkle Nation. And I was a former pageant queen at Sparkle Nation Hand Systems. I could thank Chantal Lucas for this. So today I'm receiving my brand ambassador package. So let's see what's in here. So let's see what's in here. I'm just gonna put this down. So, okay. Ooh, there is a badge and a T-shirt in here. That's so nice. And then here is my sash for Miss Sparkle Nation Ambassador. And this is my crown for, just gonna open this, for Sparkle Nation Ambassador. So here you go. So I'd like to thank Chantal Lucas and for providing me the opportunity first to be Miss Sparkle Nation International 2022 and now Miss Sparkle Nation Brand Ambassador 2024. Be sure to like and subscribe. Thank you.